Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to disable your DM on Facebook so that no one can message you. You have to configure that on Messenger app. Here's how to do it. Open your Messenger app, click on menu at the bottom right corner. Click on message requests. Click on choose who can message you. It will open the message delivery section. Here's what you have to do. Click on people with your phone number. Select don't receive request and click on update settings. Go back. Click on friends or friends on Facebook. Click on don't receive request. Click on pages you follow. Click on don't receive request. Go back and also click on people in your Facebook group. Click on don't receive request. Make sure it looks like this. From now on, no one can message you on Facebook. Your DM will be disabled permanently. So that's how you disable your DM on Facebook. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.